front of me is VIVO X200 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and installing Launcher OS from Launcher Studio app. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to hit Apps. Then scroll all the way down to hit Default Apps and tap on Home app. Now it's time to tap on Launcher Pro at the top, hit Allow All and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to change anything in this layout, you can go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, come back to Default Home app section and click on System Home Screen. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!